Okay, so I've got a bit of a shorter vid to give you guys this week. Yeah, Outlaw had it out, was running great, smashed it. Enjoy. Very sad. Very sad. Unfortunately, I didn't have it on video, but car has done a massive stack, like a massive fucking stack. The whole front of the cage is wanked. That's freaking bent and wanked. Looks like that came out. Oh, yeah, no. Unfortunately, I only had a few minutes of footage before this all happened. The kill switch seems to be working. No bubbles in the fuel line, but I'm guessing that's it. That's it until I can get some more parts in. Bummer. Oh, what can you do? Yeah, so I reckon this is where it hit. Can frickin' fit my hand in there. Could probably fit my foot in there. Yeah, I guess I could fit my foot in there. There's a bit of grass. Right, so we're in the shed. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the cage off so we can have a look to see what's going on there. I'm pretty sure it's going to be looking a lot worse than it really is. But yeah, so let's just get the cage off and then we see what the damage is and we go from there. Right, so you can see the front part of the cage. So that piece there is done. Those there, look at that. That's done. And then the front bumper, that's done. So that arm is done. The C-hub, that's done. I'm hoping that I'm going to get away with just replacing that. But the other side looks alright. But yeah, not what I was expecting. But on the plus side, that is ready to rumble. I just replaced, it's got a new set of carbies on there. Quite happy with that. Got my mad dogs. So I'm happy with that, but bad dog. Not happy with that.